Today we're going to change out the blade bar on the Twister floor scraping machine. In order to get access to that, I've already started the engine. I lifted the blade arms all the way up, and then I've tilted it forwards and just touched this blade on the concrete here. I want to get room in here to get a tool in there or my hand if I need to, but you never want to put your hand in this area with the engine running. So we're going to put this impact wrench down here on this socket. And we're going to take that one loose. We get both of those loose, and now we can start the engine up, and we can let it down and back away from this tool, and then we can pull up to the other style. We're going to install an 8-inch blade bar and go do some wood flooring removal. So now we've got that installed on there, and now I'm going to come in from the bottom and put the bolts back in. Along with the flat washer, the lock washer, and the nut. And then we'll do the second one. And then we'll tighten it up with the impact. And now we're ready to go take up some wood floor or ceramic tile.